Two persons are walking beside a railway track at respective speeds of 2 and 4 kilometers per hour in the same direction. A train came from behind them and crossed them in 90 and 100 seconds respectively. The time in seconds taken by the train to cross an electric post is nearest to 78, 87, 75, 82. Okay, now let's solve the question. First, we will see the properties which we are going to use. The first property is that when a train passes a man or an electric post, the distance covered is the length of the train. The second property is that if two bodies are moving in the same direction, the relative speed is equal to the difference of the speeds of the two bodies. Now, a single train is crossing both the persons and the final electric post as well. Hence, the distance is equal to s minus 2 into 90 is equal to s minus 4 into 100. Now let's understand why it is s minus 2 and s minus 4. Now the train and the two persons are traveling in the same direction. Obviously the speed of the train, that is s, is greater than the speeds of both the people. So relative speed, as we saw in the second property, is the difference of the speeds of two bodies. Hence it is s minus 2, and the time required to overtake the first person is 90 seconds and to overtake the second person is 100 seconds. Hence, we get this equation. Solving it further, we get 90s minus 180 is equal to 100s minus 400. Simplifying it further, we get 10s equal to 220. Hence, we get the value of s as 22. Substituting the value of s as 22 over here, we get the value of d as 1800. Now, finally, we have been asked the time required for the train to cross an electric post. Now, whenever the train is crossing the electric post, at that time also, the distance remains the length of train itself. Hence, now our required time will be 1800 upon 22, which comes up to be 81.81. So now we got the time as 81.81 seconds. Now the question asked is the time in seconds taken by the train to cross an electric post is nearest to. So our required answer will be 82.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please do share it with your friends and family. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel.